Currently 5:33 in the morning. My watch is an hour behind. I keep forgetting to change it. I'm too lazy. And then honestly, I just don't remember how to mess with the settings. So 5:33 in the morning. Coilover install going down. Shout out to Junior again. I was watching videos on how to do the coilover install and it seems pretty simple, but I don't want to kill droids right here because it's his car, so I don't want to kill him. So I'm gonna try it when I do my coils on the TL. Hey, why are you guys up so early, bro? I think you should keep it this height. That shit looks like a monster truck. Is my dad leaving? I'm gonna open the gate. Yeah. You gonna lower as much as the TL droid? Right there. Yeah, like right there. Oh, what? I'm looking at the TL. Oh, I just washed it. Look, Lalo's over there putting his hands on it. Oh, I don't have it. Or, what's it called? Fucking. Just kidding, I didn't wash that shit dirty. Chunky.
You wearing some food, bitch?
No, I'm not. Look, I'm wearing shoes.
You're drunk by yourself.
Coilovers did you get the? Oh, they're the Street Plus?
Yeah.
They're the ones Chewy has, no?
Yeah, the ones me and Tree have.
Oh, you have these ones too, the
Yeah.
Street Plus?
And it looks like. Not coming?
It looks like the coil's made out of coil.
This guy said it looks like the coil is made out of coil. It looks like the coil is made out of coil, mama. How many Street Series members does it take to get a nut and bolt off?
The hammer? Try hammer.
Hey!
Yeah, I didn't bring mine.
She was trying to lick his butt.
Get the hammer, bitch.
Oh, sorry.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
You're using the control arm, bro.
Twist it on it? Yeah, keep twisting it.
Oh! Is it coming out?
It's moving, but it looks like it's coming out.
Damn, that one came out easy. The other one's not coming out. Shit. And just a little bit of WD-40. A little bit of WD-40 and nothing a little muscle can't fix. Alright, later, Chewy. When you get back, the Lancer will be slammed. He's on his way to work. To Amazon. The worst place on earth. Mamas. Yes. Yes, it's the worst place on earth, mamas. Where's he going, buddy? Where'd he go?
I'm pretty sure it's not rust pulling it in.
Tiger Western take it back this. Yeah.
Oh shit.
It didn't come off, huh?
Nah, I tried it again and it's still stuck on there. They're just gonna have to buy a whole new one.
Yeah.
This one's all rusted too though, so.
Yeah, from right here.
I was seeing that right here and the little spots right there.
No.
Let's see if we can see it. There you go. Sheesh. Shit dangerous, bruh.
How did it look again? But you're right, it did look like this.
Yeah, see, just like that.
Oh, shit.
Compared to Jesus Christ.
Put your fucking fist in there. No mames. Yeah, a finger. Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, I think that'll be cool right there for now.
Yeah, cause
Just so he could, so when he rolls his fenders too.
Oh yeah, you're probably right. He probably could claim it, but it's like a tie, like squeeze right there. You can already see.
You can already see that you should shut up. Alright, we're gonna get your reaction first and then we'll record it. Look at that smile.
That looks way better than before, dude.
Sheesh. Look guys, check it out. It's a little before and after.
You want to cold water? Let me know.
Alright, that's how it looked before and after, bro.
Yeah, I was like,
let me go take these back.
Jordan, your fitment's basically how my TL sits, just that my TL looks a little bit lower right now because it's on jack stands.
it should lower a little bit more.
Yeah. Once they settle in, it'll drop like another ½ inch or so. Damn. Look at that smile right there. Shout out to Junior again.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, so the back coilovers are installed on both sides. This is how it sits currently. We're not going to lower it anymore because it does drop about another ½ inch. So in about a month or two we're going to go ahead and readjust it, lower it if it needs to. But this side, the rear compared to how it sat before, big old difference. Just lowering the car gives it a whole new look. Jared.
That's why I didn't end up selling the wheels, Junior, because I gave them to this fool.
Oh yeah, and I was like, oh shit.
Alright. How's it look, Jared, before I show them?
Right there, bro. Oh no, that's yours.
Look sick? Man, look at that smile.
Yeah, I know.
On my face. Alright, you guys ready?
Or maybe in the trunk?
Yeah.
Doesn't work. Andrew, open the trunk.
Come on, man. Get away. Alright, you guys ready now?
Put some more.
Don't be shy. Put some.
Alright guys, leave a like and comment down below. How's it looking? How's it look now? Sheesh. Oh my god, bro. Ace, what you think, bro? He just walked away.
Yeah.
This guy does not listen, bro. My mom been calling him for 10 minutes. Alright guys, we're gonna go on a test drive. Make sure everything's good on the car. Make sure it doesn't feel funny. Man. Bro, it's not even my car and I'm happy. Every time my little brothers fucking mod their car, it just makes me happy. This is my, well, he used to be my neighbor, but he's basically like a little brother to me. We've known him since we were like 4 years old, so. Let's get it, Droid. How's it running?
Perfect.
Perfect? Hell yeah. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. And we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I just want to say thank you to all of you supporting. Keep showing the channel love, and keep liking, keep sharing with your friends. I appreciate you guys. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.